Hello.
Hello?
What happened?
This is Mr. Nueva York?
Yeah, that's me. What you matter?
Yeah, I'm calling regarding your credit card payment.
Listen, my friend, I'm not paying that shit.
What do you mean you're not paying?
I'm not paying that shit. That's free money. How you want me to pay that free money?
That's not free money.
You send me the credit card with $3,000 on it. I spend it already. How you want me to pay you back money I already spending? Stupid.
You have to pay. Have you paid last month?
I not pay last month. I not pay the month before that. I'm not paying. I'm not paying shit.
Wow. Listen, we're gonna have to do something about this.
You can do whatever you want. Call Barack Obama. I don't care. Listen, can you give me your house phone number so I can call you in your house?
I'm sorry.
Oh, ahí no te gusta. So why you calling me in my house to bother me? My friend, is that your money? Is it going to your pocket?
Listen. We have to make this happen right now.
I don't care. Do whatever you want.